picking up some speed. Over. There is a big wooden boat landing in Efthalou. It is a ground shore and it's tipping over. It looks not so good, so we are staying here to support. Over.
That come that close.
We cannot go that close. Yeah, but it's going down. Romeo, Romeo for Alpha. Can you call in some support from the Coast Guard before we have everybody in the water? Over.
Hey! عم تسمعوني؟ عم تسمعوني؟ هدوا وحافظوا على توازن القارب. هيك تغرقوا على مهلكم، ما حدا ينط من القارب. There is many children. I know. بس ما بتستحق تتحرك
See if we can liaise with somebody ashore as well, so we can reunite the families.
Perfect.
Tell them that the boats cannot go up and shore. That's why we can't take him there. We have to meet up in a port.
نحن ما فينا ناخذ قوارب لهون، ماشي بنضرب القوارب تبعنا، القوارب كثير صغيرة مثل ما ضرب القوارب تبعنا.
ماشي.
تمام؟ ما تخاف.
Are they coming again with the passengers?
Gray-haired woman, black jacket, white vest is running right now. Over.
Back, but the fucking
هلا بدنا في صوت ثياب ناشفة.
يلا.
And the water take us down and left and right and deep and up. Like you feel, you will drown. But we cared about the child, like, you know. We run from the bomb, we say like, at least we save the child. How the driver was like, he didn't stop and save beach. He stopped where this big stone. Like he has accident with the stone. That's the problem. When he has the accident with the stone, the big stone, like start the life is finished. You feel like your life is here, done, because you are in the sea. It's around 100 meters between the beach and us. And people want to help us, like they jump, they come by motor, wait, but you know the child and the woman, old man and child, it was like, it's headache. You can't do anything. Say, people, please, nobody listen to you. Please be calm, be quiet, nobody listen to you. But in the end, like, just this child, he drowned and his uncle jumped after him and one motor come and take them. And that's all.
Okay.
Thank you for them and thank you for everybody. We appreciate it. We will not forget it.
The feeling we had when we came to the boat was it was complete and utter desperation and panic had already broken out. It shows you how quickly things turn here. They were quite safe on a big boat, and within just seconds their lives are turned upside down and they're fighting for their lives. So the boat was filled with families, kids, babies even, all in the same desperate stage, and everybody got saved yesterday. It was a good turn up on the beach, and the ones that couldn't be rescued from the beach, we took on board our boat.
It's incredibly important for every single person to offer the kind of help they can to people who are fleeing from horror. This is where we come in. This is where our naval expertise come in, and this is the honor of being able to help people reach safety with whatever we can offer. And I'm very happy to be here and be able to help MSF carry on and expand their mission.